Why can't I find a USB-C hub with multiple USB-C ports? My computer only has one USB-C port and I want to connect multiple USB-C devices to it. I have trawled through Amazon but am amazed that I cannot find a single one. There are many hubs that have USB 3.1 USB-A ports but not USB-C ones. Is there a limitation in the spec that prevents this being possible?
Thunderbolt 4. In 2021, Thunderbolt 4 docks are now available, which for the first time allow for USB-C, Thunderbolt True Multiport hubs. For the first time, Thunderbolt 4 will offer docks with up to 4 Thunderbolt ports and universal cables up to 2 meters in length. Intel press release. These hubs also seem to pass through USB-C DisplayPort Alt mode signals, allowing them to be used with non-Thunderbolt devices. Thunderbolt 4 hubs. AUX Thunderbolt Hub, CalDigit Element Hub. USB-C. Simple one-to-many USB-C hubs with a large number of ports, for some reason, do not really seem to exist. There are some 2 and 4 port USB-C hubs now available, but none seem to be cheap, simple, or reliable. It's very easy to find 7-port USB-A 3.0 hubs from well-known companies. The same cannot be said for USB-C. There appears to be some kind of spec, chip, or marketing limitation that prevents them from being made. Some of the same complaints are outlined here, from when 0-port duplicating hubs were available. This URL. None of these USB-C hubs actually give you more USB-C ports. There is supposedly news for 2019-2020 that suggests hub chips may be coming soon. Update, July 30, 2018. Accidental Tech Podcast reports on a rumor that next year Intel will finally ship the chip that's needed for making a USB-C that adds additional Type-C ports. This URL, 1910. We've heard from an anonymous person that Intel is finally releasing a hub chip for USB-C next year. We may not see products based on it until 2020.
Also search a lot and only found one. The Belkin 4-port mini USB-C hub with 2 USB-C. All 4 ports support only USB 3.0 speed, 5 GB/s equals 300 MB per second effective. However, please note, the USB-C 4-port mini hub does not support pass-through charging and video output monitor. This hub is only intended to use with USB-A and USB-C peripherals. Update. Found a second one from Sitecom, the CN386. Turn your USB-C port into 3 ultrafast USB-C ports and 1 USB-C power delivery port. USB 3.1 Type-C input. 3x USB 3.1 Type-C output, 10 GB/s data and 7.5 watts power. 1x USB Type-C power delivery, 100 W power. Supports USB SuperSpeed 10 GB/s, downwards compatible with USB 3.0, 2.0. Supports USB battery charging, BC, 1.2 up to 7.5 watts, 5V, 1.5A.
Actually, AUX is about to create a solution for this stalemate, but you have to look a step up, both in function and in price. However, given how long we waited, all is fine, a Thunderbolt 4 hub. This URL. It should also support USB-C standard, so it is also in USB-C hub.
I found one with 4 USB-C ports. The Sitecom CN385. It only goes up to 5 GB/s, but judging by the, admittedly just 2, reviews on Amazon, it is more reliable than its big brother, the CN386, which has power delivery and 10-bit/S support.
I för att vänta stoppade det här när läser från sidor subscribing.